feels like skin. It feels like I have nothing on.
So it just really gives me the control, and it makes it super smooth.
I could wear this every single day. I love the design here, the rubbery type band so that it doesn't slip. I don't feel it slipping even sitting down or standing up.
You can't even see it through the dress. I absolutely love it.
So having shapewear like this is perfect because it feels natural. You feel kind of like tucked in all the places you want to be.
This right here is some of the best shapewear I have ever worn in my entire life.
I'm in love with them.